Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Coinbase's price alerts. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's price alerts, this video is for you. I'm gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. It's gonna be a really quick video, so let's not waste any time at all. Let's just get straight into it. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Coinbase account. Remember, you can log into the account on the official website with your computer, or you could do it through your mobile phone by getting the Coinbase app. Now, assuming you already have that, so you've logged into your account, you just want to go to the prices tab. Now, once you're there, you're gonna select the cryptocurrency, and once that's done, just click on set price alerts. And now you're going to choose the alert type. It could be for price increase alerts or price decrease alerts. And once you've set that, you just set the alert threshold. And once you've gone through all that, just confirm the price alert setup, and that will be set up for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's price alerts. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.